Hey everybody. Hello everybody. Hey everybody. It's Brock. This is Brock. And we got a new episode with another episode of All About. What's up everybody? It's Brock and we are finally back after 2 weeks of stress and hard work trying to get through this quarter, but we are done and it is summertime. We're about to get a ton of videos out. First up today, we are learning about a very cool coral. It's an electric flame scallop. I mean, can you see those lightning bolts going through it? This thing is awesome. So why do they even flash all the time? So the biggest thing is they're trying to attract prey like phytoplankton so they can eat them. Another way is to scare away predators, and if you have a group of them in your tank, they'll do it to each other so they can come and get closer to each other to find meals. So the reason they're able to do this is because they have this highly reflective tissue that'll come out really quick and then hide almost immediately, which gives it that bright electricity lightning look going through them. So that's pretty cool. The prices on them, you normally don't spend any more than about $20 on them. Care level, everywhere online says definitely expert, and to me, if you can feed them regularly, it's a really easy coral to take care of, but a lot of people have trouble getting in there and feeding them every day. Temperature, you want to keep it 78 degrees, DKH 8 to 12, pH 8.1 to 8.4, and your salinity 1.023 to 1.025. Of course, colors on them is that white shell with the really bright red inside with the tentacles flaring out. Diet, they do eat phytoplankton, and that is it. They are filter feeders, so make sure you're feeding them plenty of phytoplankton. A lot of times you can get it in the bottles and get a little squirter and get right up next to them and squirt just a little bit by them, and they'll actually eat it, which is one of the main reasons why people have so much trouble with them, is because they get out of the habit of feeding them a couple times a week. So if you keep up with them and keep feeding them, they'll do great. Origin, they do come from the Indo-Pacific or the Caribbean. Venomous, of course not. Placement, I normally put them near the bottom, near the rock structure. That way they can put their foot in and get plenty of good current coming towards them to catch some phytoplankton. Current, medium, enough to get their little tentacles moving so they can catch some food. Tank size, any, doesn't really matter. Just make sure you're feeding them. They can clap their shell closed, and normally if you start seeing them moving across the tank like this, it's because they think they're in danger. Maybe a fish is messing with them, or they're not getting enough food or light. So these should be easy things you should pick up and realize, hey, I need to start changing stuff so this guy doesn't get hurt. Make sure you keep your calcium up. 420 is what I always recommend. If you can get it even a little higher, it's really good for them. And then alkalinity, KH, you want it to be right up there. 8 at least, 12 max. 12 is like pristine reef tank. So if you can do that, then good for you. I'm still trying to get mine up that high. Other than that, that is your electric flame scallop. To me, pretty easy coral to take care of, but feeding wise, you gotta get in there and spot feed him a couple times a week, or this guy will perish and he was not gonna make it. Hope y'all have a good day. Hope y'all like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all later.